Welcome back to Weapon Handling. Today, we're stepping off the road and into the realm of iconic firearms. Our focus? The legendary AK-47, a modernized version of the AK-47, renowned worldwide for its durability and reliability. Before we dive into the details, remember, safety and responsible weapon handling are paramount. This is for informational purposes only. The AK-47, evolution of a legend. The AK-47, introduced in 1959, is an upgraded version of the original AK-47. With a stamped metal receiver replacing the original's milled version, the AKM is lighter, easier to produce, and more cost-effective. This advancement made it one of the most widely distributed firearms globally, especially among military forces. Design and features. The AKM retains the 7.62x39mm caliber, ensuring powerful performance and high stopping power. Key features include a redesigned stock, pistol grip, and handguard, often made from laminated wood or synthetic materials. The iconic curved magazine holds 30 rounds, contributing to its distinct profile. Reliability and durability. What sets the AKM apart is its unparalleled reliability. Known to function under extreme conditions, mud, sand, water, the AKM rarely jams. This robustness is why it remains a favorite among soldiers, rebels, and firearm enthusiasts. Conclusion. The AK-47 isn't just a weapon. It's a symbol of resilience and engineering simplicity. At Bike Bazaar, we appreciate precision and performance, whether it's on two wheels or in mechanical marvels like the AKM. Stay tuned for more deep dives into iconic machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe